Today we're gonna make curried chicken. So you just take the chicken piece like that. Okay, first a leg. You just cut it in two. And just like that. With a sharp knife. Take the wing, just do like that. You take the breast, you cut the breast in half, like that. And then you cut it in half again, like this. You can use some elbow grease if you have to. So this is not debone, this is with bone. And you just cut this piece of breast again like that. Then the thigh, you usually find that little right there. And then you just cut this again like that, and then you just cut this again like that. So this is half chicken neck. We're just gonna put half of our chicken pieces. Today we're gonna make curried chicken. So the ingredients are chicken, scallion, medium mayonnaise, 2 tomatoes, 4 alcohol crush, 1 piece of pepper square, out of zero bacon, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of parsley, a teaspoon of basil, a teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of seasoning, and 2 teaspoons of butter, a spoon of beef, teaspoon of vinegar, half of that. No portion is all this cut for cut butter. It should be easy all the ingredients. Put your flame on 8. Piece of curry in. Piece of garlic in. Add the curry. And just let that burn. You can see it changing color in front of your face. You just use this now and then do this. You want to see it change color. This is about 1 minute after. Then you just add the oil. Add the oil. And this is burning the curry. So after 1 more minute, add the chicken pieces. Remove the seasoning. Add these. Let this fry for about 1 minute on each side. Then after 1 minute, add the seasoning. Add water. Just cover it. Now turn the stove on 4. This is how it looks. This is how the curry chicken look after 15 minutes. Alright. So what I want you to do now is turn the stove on low, almost off, and just keep it covered. Okay, curried chicken. Curried chicken after a total of 35 minutes. We're going to turn it off. It's ready. So that's curried chicken. So you just cover it until you're ready to serve. Curried chicken. So to review. So we fried it on each side for 1.5 minutes. So that's 3 minutes. Then we add the seasoning for the next 2 minutes and let it fry. And then we add the water. And then we put the flame. All this time it's been on 8. Okay. Now after we add the seasoning and let it fry, we then put the stove on 4. And let that cook for about 20 minutes. And then we turn the stove on very low and let that cook for about another 10 to 15 minutes. Curry chicken. Curried chicken. Curry chicken. Curried chicken. Curried chicken and boil the green bananas. Curried chicken and boil the green bananas. Curried chicken and boiled green bananas. Curried chicken.